It's your boy Srt TV, you feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? We got the big cat in the back. You know, we got Big Mama all cleaned up. I just got done washing her. It is Thanksgiving, so you feel me? That means we finna give y'all boys a Thanksgiving POV in a cat. So y'all boys can have something to eat. You know y'all family gonna be cooking that ham, turkey, cats, dogs, rats, whatever y'all want like this on Thanksgiving. So y'all better eat y'all food, you feel me? Watch your boy cut up in that big body cat. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all are informed whenever I drop more bangers like this one. You feel me? We finna go ahead and get into this bit. But before I do, I'm finna give y'all boys a little walk around. You feel me? Let y'all see how she looking. We do got some more mods that gonna be coming shortly, especially with tomorrow being Black Friday. We finna go ahead and order some stuff for the whip. You feel me? So we can have that bit looking crazy. So shit, without further ado, we finna go ahead and get started. So you feel me? We back in a whip, you know. We finna go ahead and put that bit in. We're gonna put that bit in custom mode. And my tire ball, so I ain't finna be going crazy. I'm just gonna be, you feel me, whipping that bit. Feel me? I got that mini Draco with every attachment you can think of on that bit. Ride with me today, cause my girl tweaking. So you feel me? We finna go ahead and put that head mount on and get into the vid. Alright, y'all, it's time to go ahead and get into the POV. Let me crack the windows. It is a little cold outside, but you feel me? I like to make sure y'all boy can hit a whip. We got Uncle standing up by the gas station. He is on some type of drugs because he been screaming at me while I was trying to record my intro. But he'll be okay. Happy Thanksgiving, Unc. Little head ass. Y'all hit on pops? That popcorn? That popcorn! Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on. I forget to put my seatbelt on in every vid. It's crazy. What's wrong with me? Right now, we just, you feel me, flown through the trenches. Flown through the trenches in that cat. My boy getting hit Thanksgiving jaw again. I feel you, my boy. I need to be doing the same thing. Especially after Thanksgiving, because I know your boy gonna gain some more weight. Need to get back in that gym. Damn, these folks in front of me driving mighty slow. They fucking up the content. That bitch got that snatch. That bitch gonna put you back in that seat. That dog better get his ass out the way before we have to cook his ass on Thanksgiving. Throw that nigga in that deep fryer. Go slow over this train track. That car sounds so good. I wonder if I go cat. I know I'll probably keep saying that, but I wonder if I go catless, will it make my pops louder? I don't know. spinning so hard. I keep getting trapped behind all these slow drivers. And I would go around them, but I ain't, like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I ain't trying to go too crazy. The police already gave me a ticket last week. I'm pissed. Especially because I wasn't even really trying to go crazy. I was trying to get from, y'all, I was trying to get from off the side of an 18-wheeler. So you feel me, your boy downshifted and went past the 18-wheeler. As soon as I went past it, they was on the side of the road. That boy gave me a ticket. That's my first speeding ticket ever. But it's okay though. Things happen. I do need to get me a radar though. You feel me? So I can know when them boys around the area. If y'all know anything about the police radars, please let me know what's a good police radar. I ain't trying to get the most expensive one, you feel me? I'm just trying to get one that gonna, you feel me, do the job. I know it's a lot of different ones out there, and I just don't know which one to be, you feel me, average, like the best. Basically to the point where it's gonna, whenever there's a police around, it's gonna let me know. So if y'all know anything about it, let your boy know. Now we gotta slow down around here because it's a little police station or something right here in a project. God, them downshifts, they never get, this wine and these downshifts never get old. I'm telling you. That boy looking like, what the fuck is that? Nigga, that cat. Y'all know when I'm sliding through the trenches. Y'all hear me? I don't have to blow the horn, nigga. That's all I gotta do. They gonna know I'm outside. Don't pull your ass out now. Damn, my miles per gallon to drop down to 7.9. This bit thirsty as hell. I mean, when I first traded my Scat in and got this, I thought the gas mileage was the same. Nah, hell. After them first 2 days, it got real. This bit do not have the same gas mileage as the Scat at all. This bit will kill your pockets, no cap. That car don't care about nothing. They don't care about the bills that you gotta pay. They don't care about nothing. This bit only care about gas. I don't even know what I'm talking about, y'all. I be tweaked out. Y'all also let your boy know if he need to improve anything in the videos. Like, you feel me? Do I need to be more entertaining? What y'all want me to do? Oh, we gotta go slow with this little dip. Already spotted the police at the gas station. I'm driving like I got extreme sense. I ain't doing that, officer. But y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm finna be pulling up at my destination, you feel me? And I don't want some of y'all to, you feel me, get the low on where I'm finna go. So you feel me? That's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all are informed whenever I drop more bangers. I want y'all boys to enjoy y'all Thanksgiving, you feel me? And until next time, that'll be it. Peace.